Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to put leaderboard display on mobile. So let's start. So reading from the leaderboard, it's a real report internet node with requests from the platform game service currently in iOS Game Center will play services. And well, the first is the example below is from global game instance blueprint in the Unreal Match 3 sample game. In these few nodes, we are calling the real leaderboard integer node the player control player. So we can check here the pictures and check how we do it. Writing to leaderboard. So the real board integer node will send the given status value to the leaderboard specified in the state name for the provide player controller. So in blueprints, the example below is from Factory Scream, blueprint in the Unreal Match 3 sample games. So we can check here how you can do it. So we can show in the platform specific leaderboard and show the platform specific leaderboard screen will show you the leaderboard specified, the category name on the device. So in blueprints, the example below is from the game over bottoms blueprint widget in the Unreal Match 3 sample. So we can check here, and that is how we can put leadership display mobile. If you can check this one, you can go to Unreal Engine and check little by little these steps that I can tell you, but well, it depends how you can start doing it. You can check that it's iOS or Google Game Services. So that is how you can start doing. I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.